Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. Today I have a really sweet insert card for you. This is my Stocking Stuffers Easel card. How cute is this front cover panel? You have that little puppy there sticking out of the stocking. He's got his cute little Santa hat on. You have a candy cane here and some other fun embellishments there in the background. When you open up the card, it says Christmas there for the sentiment, and there is a messaging panel on the inside. I also include an envelope as well. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, foam squares, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Holidays with the Housewife 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, the download button will be located on the event page. If you're watching this after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file for this project in my shop, or purchase the VIP Access Pass that gives you access to all 12 event files, printable worksheets, video tutorials, and commercial licensing. You'll be able to find more information on both of those options in the video description below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can go ahead and open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight this top layer, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Once you've converted the score lines for the envelope and for the card base, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, I have everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to fold and burnish the score lines on the card base. Just like that. And I'll set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and layer the front cover panel. Now we do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these together, but from back to front, you're going to start with the solid white, the dark purple, the cream or beige color, tan, darker brown, white, and then red. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side so we can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. Set that to the side. Now we can mat and layer the sentiment layer. There we go. Set that to the side. Now let's go ahead and take our card base. I'm going to open it up and attach the messaging panel to the inside. I'm going to attach it between these two score lines. Now I'm going to grab my foam squares and place a few of them behind the sentiment layer. These foam squares are going to add the dimension that's needed so that the easel card can stand up on its own. And now you can't see it here on camera, but there is a little X that I have created with the scoring wheel. That's going to help as a guideline to center this sentiment piece. That looks good. And now I'm going to close up the card. I'm going to add my glue below this score line here on the front. And now take the cover panel and I'm going to line up the edges the best that I can. Give that a press. And now this is what it looks like when they open up the card. So I'm going to set that to the side so everything can dry. Get this stuff out of the way. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Let's take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over, place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. I'm going to take my card and place it upside down in the envelope. Bring those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. Take our thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our easel card is all set. What did you think of this one? Now I know realistically a puppy can't fit into a stocking unless it's a cute little itty bitty teacup puppy or a stuffed animal, but still, it's a very cute card and I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holidays with the Housewife video. Bye-bye.